I am very aware of a soul that is stepping forward, and he's showing me himself as a male soul. Okay. I'm aware, Aditi, that he went through a very bad phase in his life, is what he's bringing. तो जो भी मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी वो आपको अपने डैड के लिए समझ में आ रही है?
हाँ, I think so, ma'am. He had
Yes.
very tough time actually.
Yes, yes. You must be aware that you never really felt very close to him or connected to him. Do you understand that?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
He's making me aware of that. He's also telling me that a lot of that had to do with him also being someone who kept a lot of his emotions and struggles to himself. He makes me aware of that. Do you understand that?
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
he never really wanted that to trickle down, his struggles and emotions to trickle down to the family members around him, which also made him appear as someone who was very distant from the family. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, he's bringing that up. He's saying, Aditi, it was very important for him to come forward here and speak to you because you've always felt that you did not get that kind of love from your father जो बच्चों को मिलता है. You did not get that kind of closeness with your father जो बच्चों को मिलता है. And you always thought your dad wasn't available for you.
Yes, yes. That is the fact.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
And he wants to say sorry for this, that it wasn't intentional on his part to make you feel like that he never cared about you. It wasn't intentional. It was only that he was always very preoccupied with what was going on with him. And therefore, as a result of that, he couldn't be as available to the family as he liked to be. Okay. Aditi, he's also telling me that, in fact, even in his going away, he went away in a very silent way. He makes me feel like that. He did not really get a lot of attention on him, and he
Yes.
just passed away very silently. He's
Yes.
saying, Bache, to I need to say sorry to you for being emotionally unavailable to you in your growing up years. It wasn't that he wanted to be a bad father. He did not want to be a bad father. He's saying no father ever wants to be a bad father. But उनकी लाइफ में इतना कुछ चल रहा था that he did not realize that कब उन्होंने फैमिली को एलिनेट करना शुरू कर दिया. In fact, he makes me feel that he's also bringing up the word scared, that there was also a time जब उनकी family used to feel scared to also reach out to him. Because पता नहीं कब उनका mood खराब हो, कब वो हम पे क्या बोल दे. And he's giving me so much of goose flesh right now as he's speaking to you that it wasn't really to hurt you, but unfortunately, that's the kind of childhood that you've grown up with. And he's saying, I know that इतना easy नहीं है उसको भुलाना, उसको forgive करना, but I just wanted to use this opportunity to come and tell you that I didn't do it intentionally. That was not my intention.
That I forgive him. It's okay. Be happy.
But आप उनके बारे में hardly सोचते हो. And he doesn't blame you for that. He doesn't blame you for that because कभी वो closeness, वो bond बना ही नहीं. But he just wants to tell you that he always loved you. He loved you a lot, and it is important. It was very important for him to say this today to you that he really loved you. He was unable to show that love, but he really loved you. So please don't think, or rather stop thinking from today that your father never loved you. वो दिखा नहीं पाए उसको because of his own human struggles, but he did have a lot of love for you, is what he's saying.
There's nothing in my heart for him. Just You know, I feel bad, and sometimes I will, but it's not that I hate him or something like that. I did his Kriya Karam at the end when no one were ready to come, forward. I never met him. I never had that bonding, but I mean, it's okay. He's my father, end of the day, reason for my existence, though. All I want him to know is that I forgive him, and wherever he is, I want him to be happy.